Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. Some brilliant trades happening at the moment, and as suggested yesterday, we got to the gap and the buyers came straight in. And you can see we've already rallied pretty much from there. That's 680 points, 1.5%. So that's a half decent trade there. Anyway, bottom of the megaphone at the moment. We are heading back to the upside. We've got overhead resistance here at 4610. So we need to clear through 4610 and come sort of break through, come back and find support on the higher time frame. So at the moment, oscillators are still not indicating that we want any long-term trades going in. We need to wait. So there's a couple of things on the go here. So firstly, engulfing bar, double bottom. Not much diversions, but oscillators have crossed over the 20 at the moment. So it's buying opportunities on the pullback. Only thing it is worrying is obviously the moving averages. So as I said yesterday, I suspect this volatility is going to continue. Sometime soon, there's going to be value for somebody. And that person's probably going to have enough cash to move the market. So at the moment, we have a double bottom, which has been verified by this breakthrough on the hour. So you can see diversions on the hour, low, lower, low, low, high. Only problem is that the oscillators are all over the place, but let's ignore that for a second. What we're looking for is structure. Now, I'm going straight to the 15-minute because that's probably the only place that you are going to see structure. So a bit of a wedge forming at the 155 EMA crossover here. I would be looking pretty much around this area at 45.81 for an opportunity to buy into this. So please bear in mind that this is a pretty big range move or double bottom move through the day. Just have a look at that. I mean, down 400 points, up 400 points, down 400 points, up 400 points. I mean, that is significant. So keep your position size small, wait for the structure, and more than likely somewhere in this area. I would expect either here or something like probably around there. So all depends what happens here at the 155. If we get through the 155, you need to wait for the next bit of structure, which will be right here at the 155 EMA. So that's at 4600. So you need a breakthrough 4600, come back, find some support, and then you're looking for opportunities and opportunities to the upside. I suspect we basically just have this massive range, and it's kind of where we're going to stay until the end of the year. So it's pretty much going to be up and down inside here. So 15 minutes is my choice. This is a fairly decent structure because, again, remember, you're looking at around it's around 450 points, and where's the gap? Around 470 points. So that gap has definitely been targeted at the moment. So that would be my play on the S&P 500 today. Wait for structure, wait for the pullback, wait for some decent price action inside bars, pin bars, engulfing bars off a level. Make sure it's in a major trading session like the US or your early morning Europe, that first half hour or first hour of Europe that opens. Anything in that area that you're looking for an opportunity. If it's outside of those times, I wouldn't even bother with it. So first hour of the US market and first hour of the European market open. See what happens. If you see structure and it starts moving, great opportunity to buy into it. Just keep the stop tight and keep your position size small. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.